Hello students, in today's class we will discuss exercise. So first question is multiple choice question and we have to find out the correct option. First is which one is an insectivorous plant? So four option is given: lichen, Venus flytrap, mushroom, yeast. So B option is correct, means Venus flytrap. Second question: two different organisms living together and both benefiting from each other are known as the symbiotic. I told in the when I was discussing the symbiotic mode of nutrition, in this two are living together and both are getting benefit from the each other. Third one is the process by which green plants prepare their own food is known as. So what should be the answer of this? Photosynthesis. By the help of photosynthesis, green plants are making their food. So if you are having any doubt in the topic or in the questions, then you can ask in the comment section and I will give the reply. Next question is the green pigments in the leaf is. So leaves are having a green pigment and that is called as the chlorophyll. Fifth question: tiny pores on the surface of leaves are. I also told about this question. Leaves are having the very small pores through which gaseous exchange takes place. These are called as the stomata. Sixth question is given: life processes the living organism perform are. So options I am going to read. First is given nutrition and excretion. B is given respiration and reproduction. C is the growth and response to stimuli, and D is all of these. So all of these are is the correct option for this question. Means we are performing all these life process. We are taking the nutrition, we are doing the excretion, we are respiring, we are reproducing, we are growing, we are feeling the external changes, that is the stimulus. Seventh question is the substance from which an organism derives energy and material for the growth and maintenance is called. So answer of this question will be the substance from which. So substance should be the food. Food is substance from which we are getting the energy. Eighth one is given the process of taking or consuming and utilizing food is called. So this is the definition of nutrition. So option will be nutrition. Ninth, algal component of a lichen is autotrophic. It provides the food material to the fungal component, but in return means what fungus gives to lichen. So in the heading I told fungus gives the shelter, water and minerals to the lichen. So option of this question will be the fungus. A option is the correct answer. The fungus provides shelter, water and minerals. Next question is the other organism from which food is derived by parasite is called. So parasite are deriving their food from the host. So host is the correct option for this question. Next question is the fill in the blanks. First one is given the process of taking or consuming and utilizing food is called. So what the process called? This is the nutrition. So we have to fill here nutrition. Second, heterotrophs derive their food from. Heterotrophs are deriving their food from the plants. Third question is lichen is the mutual combination of algae and fungi. Lichen, how lichen forms? By the combination of algae and fungi. So this is the old book, so please don't go what is written in the page, you just have to listen to me. And fourth question is, dash is an example of total parasite. So I told in the topic when I was discussing about the parasitic mode of nutrition, answer of this will be the Amar bale, that is which is also known as the dodder. Fifth, nitrogen requirement of insectivorous plant is provided by dash. How they are compensating their nitrogen requirement? By eating the insect. So here we have to fill insect. Sixth, saprophytic plant lack chlorophyll. Saprophytic plant do not have the chlorophyll, that's why they are not able to make their own food. Seventh, the presence of starch can be tested by using iodine. I told about this, that in the iodine test, whether the starch is present or not, we have to test it with the help of iodine. 8. On testing with iodine, starch turn dash in color. So starch turns blue-black in color. Third question is the true and false. First is, nutrition, respiration, growth, excretion, reproduction, etc. are the life process. Yes, it is the life process. So this is the true. Fungi and many bacteria are derived from dead and decaying matter. So definitely they are deriving their food from the dead and decaying matters. That's why they are called as the saprophytes. This is also the true. Third, in symbiosis, both the organisms are benefited. This is also the true. Fourth, fungi and bacteria are autotrophs. No, the fungi and bacteria, these two are the saprophytic. So this is the false. Gaseous exchange in plant takes place through stomata. This is also correct option. So this is the true. We just look the second question of true and false. It is given fungi and many bacteria are derived their energy from the dead and decaying matter, are derived their nutrition from the dead and decaying matter. So there is a one word is missed. So but this sentence would be true. And rest of the question we will discuss in the next video.